You know how searching for the right element or searching for elements can be really confusing. Like you have a whole bunch in front of you, you don't know where to start from. I have been there and I found this really cool trick that helps me, which is what I'm going to be showing you. Welcome to my channel and stick with me. So let's get started. I clicked on Instagram post. So I'm just trying to start on a clean surface so you can see. I'm going to click on elements. Click on featured, that's the featured part. Then I'm going to click on see all. There are lots of elements in this featured aspect. A lot of us don't check it, but it helps a lot. Now I'm going to scroll down. I'm just basically searching for the one to make an example with. Okay, let's use this one. I'm going to click on see all. You see, it shows us different options from the same designer and different options that relate to what was chosen. Now, let me use this one. This shop, if you're good with illustrations, you create illustrations a lot, then this will help you. Now, I'm going to click on see all. That's under the magic recommendations. And you see, these are different options created by the same designer. It makes your work look neat and super clean. Now another way to do it, let me search for pattern. Then it gives me different suggestions at the top. You can see as I scroll through, you will see them. These are different suggestions from patterns. You see them? These are where the suggestions are. So the more you click on them, I'm going to click on this one. You see, it keeps taking me. For example, if you're confused on the particular word, then just use the word that comes to your head. Then it keeps helping you, redirecting till you see what you're searching for. Let me search for organic shapes now. For example, I want to search for abstract, but I don't know how to start. But the word organic comes to my head. You see, automatically the suggestion for abstract pops up also, and that helps me. Now I'm going to click on the three dots and click view more by the same designer, and you see, there are lots of free elements that you can use with Canva, free and paid. Elements adds lots and lots of life to your designs, and I recommend you use them. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this tip very, very helpful, as I'll be bringing you more Canva tip, tricks and tutorials. Also, do stay safe, wear a mask. COVID-19 is still out there. Wear a mask. Bye.